times we knew had been and gone. The birds are calling, calling out your name. Listen to me, darling, make a plan for two. The clock is ticking, time to waste and I can call my baby on the telephone, or a Louisiana girl when I'm all alone, with Mary Lou, Lucille or Maybelline. With an uptown girl I've been singing the blues. Baby, keep off my blue suede shoes. I've been rocking all over the world. Keep playing that rock and roll song all night long. All night long. Keep playing that rock and roll song.
Hey there, Mary Jane. You're leaving me again. I'm moving on, please don't stop the train. Hey there, Mary Jane. You got love and I got the pain. Waited so long, please don't stop the train.
Sometimes I realize how much I love you. Sometimes I think I've never been blue. Meanwhile the world is moving on. I think I'll take a while to sing this song. Sometimes we're often wrong, so blind, so blind.
Thinking about my life, thinking about my friends, thinking about our love, which I hope just never ends. Thinking about my feelings, I've been worrying about you. But I know, baby, I will stay with you. Just me and you, just me and you, just me and you, just me and you. I will stay with you. Me by you. The world is often crazy, it spins around so fast, thoughts fly around the airways. There are things going on in my life that I think you should know if you're gonna be my wife. Yes, you need to be aware if our lives we're gonna share. There are things going on in my life. Things ain't so good down on the farm. I don't think you will come to any harm. The cows are doing bad with BSE. It ain't catching, they keep telling me. There's a thing or two wrong within the house.
fast as he played with his line. There's nothing like the feel of a McGregor, so try and take your eyes off mine. Try and take your eyes off mine. But don't you touch it, don't you dare touch it. You know it don't belong to you. No, don't you touch it, touch it. You know what a McGregor can do for you. You know what a